ମାଲିକେ ବୁଝିଲେ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲକୁ ସ୍ୱାଗତ।
Service before self. India first. India first.
ଆଜି ମୁଁ ଆଣିଛି War 2ର ଟ୍ରେଲର।
The trailer of War 2 has arrived and I'm following you very much that I felt very good from this trailer teaser. Those typical action scenes are also seen here, but the story has not been revealed in the whole trailer. There's still a mystery to prostitute hai. And apart from this time the emotional side of the characters is also being seen, which in my opinion is very important in action films. So I have noticed some details while watching this trailer which I will share with you. There will be some cinematic details, some will also call out the over-the-top scenes. So there is going to be a very interesting video, it must be seen by end. So it is clear from this scene that Kiara Advani is not just a civilian asset, she is an army person. And if you notice this batch of theirs closely, their name is written there as Kavya Luthra. So I think she will be Karan Luthra's daughter. And his story could be something like where she might be fearing Kabir. Somehow the other disguises cementing their character. That's why they point the gun at Kabir. There are tears in his eyes. If it doesn't happen, it will be the typical Bollywood storyline that I went on the mission but fell in love. So let's discuss the next moment. And this is a multiple WTF moment. War has made One as Spice Guys, now boat on the F1 track. This was completely out of my imagination. I don't know, maybe it will be a little fun to see the scene in the theatre, but its execution is correct. Otherwise it will be a lot of fun. क्योंकि F1 ट्रैक पे कौन सोच सकता है यार? सीरियसली मुझे वो फेमस मीम सीन याद आ गया जहाँ करिश्मा कपूर गोल्फ कोर्स पे फुटबॉल से बास्केटबॉल खेल रही है टेनिस के क्लोथ्स पहन के। ये सीन जस्ट उतना ही अच्छा हो सकता है। The film will be released in IMAX theaters worldwide, so if this scene is not good, then it can be very funny. I really hope that this scene is cast correctly and there is some logic to it. I'm very excited for this scene. The third moment that I really liked was the sword fighting scene. Man, I am looking forward to this scene. Hrithik Roshan doing a sword fight, and look at this shot, how right the low angle is taken. All the swords are visible, how many people they're killing, and that sure is just battling. It's a great hero moment. Kabir will have a lot of strength in this scene because it is a cross-family scene. And in such a scene, even VFX can't do so much work. So it's very important how Akhtar has choreographed his action. Apart from this, the scenes are fighting on many people, so it is very important that your hero is shown for wounded. Because so many people are fighting and he's unwounded, it is not family. It could be a situation in the ending of the film where Kabir is shown to be dead to the whole world. Secretly he is alive. But maybe after seeing so much chaos, after seeing so much violence, he wants a peaceful life. So that's where the film ends. Because its dialogue writer is Abbas Tayyabwala, so he must have put this dialogue after some thought. Now let's talk about Junior NTR. Their story has yet to be told. Honestly, I find their expression so robotic. Seriously, what is a body shot of him is a money shot. His expressions also look so intense, so they don't seem to care. If you remember, he used to be similarly stiff because he was a robot. And when